All right, I'm gonna empty the well, but I'm going to let it run a little bit more because there's still like a little bit of residual in there. Really? Really? Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. It is Angie Star here. Welcome to Life with Star. Okay, you guys, so we are back with another video. Sorry that it took so long for us to come back to the channel. We had some difficulty, honey, with our computer and our memory card. Like, the universe was up against me, but that is okay because we are back today. And we are going to give you guys another juice video hunty. So let me just talk about the ingredients that you're going to need for this juice. We have sweet potatoes, we have carrots, we have 2 knobs of ginger, and then we have 2 navel oranges. So this is the game plan, you guys. So let's go ahead and get busy. Y'all want some knowledge? Let's give you some knowledge, honey. But before we do that, if this video pleases your spirit and your soul, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, honey, because that's the only way that you're gonna wanna be coming back for more. And if you don't wanna miss any new uploads coming your way, click the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads coming to the channel. So let's go ahead and get into it, honey. So we got sweet potatoes. You know, it's funny because a couple people, when I had juiced my sweet potatoes last time, they were kind of like, huh, you could juice sweet potatoes? And yes, you can juice just about anything, you guys. Like, some things are probably better just eaten than juiced, but I mean, honestly, sweet potatoes like kind of there's only so much that I feel like you can do with sweet potatoes, and if you want to try to get them a little bit in your diet, then juicing is definitely an option to go ahead and do that. So I have some tidbits for y'all, and I put the information on my phone just so it would be easier for me to kind of talk to y'all about it, because it's a lot of information out there and sometimes it's honestly hard to remember every single detail, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rattle off some random facts about each of the ingredients. I've talked about oranges before and ginger, and I think I've talked about carrots before, but if you're new to the channel, maybe you don't know certain things about these ingredients. So why not us be fair and give you the knowledge too. Of course, I am not a medically trained professional. I am not a doctor, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist, okay? So take what I say with a grain of salt. I do my research online just like everybody else. Consult with your doctor before you make any drastic changes to your diet. Okay, so some random facts about sweet potatoes. All right, so they're gonna help strengthen your immune system. They can also help manage stress and anxiety, which is what I suffer from it many times. It's gonna help support digestion and gut health, honey. Also may help with eye health, contains anti-inflammatory properties, and can support healthy blood sugar levels. So that's our sweet potatoes, y'all. And if you forgot what the benefits of oranges are, I mean, vitamin C, vitamin C, vitamin C. Hello, somebody. Excellent source of vitamin C, which is going to help fight against viral infections. It's going to help protect our skin, keep it nice and purty. Going to boost your heart health, relieve constipation, so that definitely goes back to that gut health, you guys, and that digestion. And it's going to help with your cholesterol levels. So if your cholesterol is a little high, honey, you might need to put some vitamin C in your system. Get an orange and eat it. So carrots can help improve your skin. It's going to help improve digestion. So as you guys can see, this is a very consistent juice that is going to be geared towards gut health, which, I mean, really all of the juices are. These separate ingredients, gut health and digestion, is something that they all have in common. Carrots are going to help improve your kidney function, may reduce incidences of stroke. Carrots can help maintain a healthy heart. So just like our oranges. Carrots are going to be antibacterial and antiviral, great for eye health, great for teeth, and anti-cancer. All right, you guys, so ginger. When it actually comes down to ginger, I prefer to consume ginger raw, especially when I'm not feeling well or I'm trying to fight like a viral infection or some kind of like ailment or illness. And the reason why is because when you consume it raw, that's when it has its highest concentration of gingerol, which is actually going to be more beneficial to your health when it comes to fighting infections and bacterial growth in your body. So consume your ginger raw if you can. Yes, it's zesty, but it's kind of sweet and spicy. So like I said, if you can stomach it, go ahead and eat it raw. Or like if you have ginger paste, you can actually put the ginger paste with some honey and get it down that way too. That might help you. But of course, ginger helps with inflammation in the body, okay? Might help with depression, anxiety. It's gonna help release serotonin in your body. If you want to try to get like a little boost before you work out, consume some ginger because it might help you sweat easier. The list goes on and on and on. But let's go ahead and get to juicing, y'all. So per usual, soft flesh on the bottom. So we're gonna drop our oranges. And I don't really know how much I don't honestly know how much this is going to yield, you guys. But this is 2 small sweet potatoes, 2 navel oranges. It's about a cup and a half of carrots, and then like I said, 2 knobs of ginger. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump these guys in any kind of way. There's really no right or wrong at this point. But I always like to put the softer items on the bottom, the heavier on top, so those heavy items can help push down your soft items through the juice chamber. All right, y'all, let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna empty the juice chamber, you guys, but I am gonna let the juicer run a little bit longer because there's a little bit of residual inside. Hallelujah. All right, let's see if we get a little bit more. Oh yeah, for sure. All right, so it didn't yield a whole lot of extra juice, but food is too expensive to let anything go to waste, so every drop counts. All right, before I pour us a glass of our yummy, yummy juice, first of all, it smells amazing, okay? Like the aroma that's coming from the pulp is just divine. I can't. So if you guys want, you can actually juice your carrots and or sweet potatoes solo dolo so that it doesn't mix with your ginger and or oranges, since the oranges, especially since they're a lot more moist. There's a gnat in here. That way you can save that pulp and you can use it in your baked goods if you want. But if you juice it like how I did, you're either gonna have to compost it or you're gonna have to find another way how to recycle it. But baked goods, for especially carrots. Who don't love some carrot cake, baby? So this is a little tidbit for y'all. Y'all want some juice? Let's get some juice. Here's your juice. Bottoms up. Look how pretty that is. Wow. That's good. So I actually wanted to make this juice like a red orange based juice, really because carrots and sweet potatoes actually both contain an ample amount of beta-carotene, which beta-carotene is just a pigment that's going to help give the juice its color. But beta-carotene is actually going to break down into 2 types of vitamin A molecules. Vitamin A is actually going to help support your kidney health, your immunity health, and the tissues surrounding your eyes. So this is such a powerhouse drink, you guys. It tastes great. Obviously, if you want to go easy on the ginger because it is more zesty, then you can scale back on it. I like where it is. It's nice, sweet, and spicy for me, honey. I know a lot of people think that carrots taste so earthy, but sweet potatoes with carrots, these oranges, it's just enough acidity, it's just enough sweetness, and it's just enough spice with that ginger. I hope that you guys enjoy this drink, but furthermore, I actually hope that you give it a try, give it a shot, because it's really, really yummy and it's good for you. So happy juicing, you guys. As before, if this video touched your spirit and your soul and you felt good after watching it, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share on this video. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss a single new upload that's coming your way. Again, my name is Angie and this is Life with Star. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Spread love because it's free. It costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them, honey. And I love y'all and I thank you for coming and juicing with us. Happy juicing, you guys. Bye.